Hey Maniacs, what's up? Thanks for following. I'm Ryan. I'm here today with Tim. How's it going, Tim?
Hey Ryan.
You have a very crazy looking Mad Max vehicle here. This thing is wild. What can you tell us about it?
It's a 2008 Civic Si. It's got, mods from the suspension all the way up to the fuel system. There was a while there it had a turbo on it. It was plug and play in the back. It was located in the trunk and piped over the roof, but I kept blowing the turbo up, so it didn't work out.
How often do you add something to it?
I'd say monthly, at the very least. I'm always thinking about what I'm going to do next. I typically draw it up before I build it.
So what was the most fun part of this build?
I'd say driving it to work every day. Breaking everybody's neck on my way to work.
Every day. So this is not just a car you have fun with, but this is actually a daily driver as well.
It has been for 11 years, and since it's been modded, I think I haven't driven it as a daily for about a couple months now.
Well, what was the hardest thing that you've done?
I'd say the turbo.
The turbo.
I spent so much time trying to get that thing to work. I kept the fuel system upgrades, but I spent thousands of dollars trying to get it to work, and I just couldn't get air to pump.
More people having fun, building a car on a budget. Obviously, it doesn't cost a fortune for some rusty angle iron.
Well, free actually, so.
Even better. Get out there and do it yourself. Go have some fun. Think something up and just go do it. Have fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Big wings, take clouds up, big rounds, right, big cloud, right up, big rounds, right, wings, take clouds, right, big rounds, right, wings, take clouds up, clouds up.